There seems to be trouble for trending Kikuyu gospel singer Mary Lincon after her husband, who is a top-ranking Kikuyu radio presenter by the name Njoroge, reportedly chased her from his house.
Hapo hivyo nimechill na Holy J.
Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV. Are you holy?
Hello guys, and welcome back to Holy J TV. Of course, it's your boy Holy J, your number one infotainment news plug. Na manze, kama huja subscribe kwa hii channel, kindly consider doing that because great content is coming, and thank you so much manze, ile support mnaendelea kunionyesha as usual. I salute you guys. So kuna hii story imekuwa ikitrend sana pale mtandaoni ya one gospel artist wa vernacular Kikuyu anaitwa Mary Lincon, na amekuwa kitrend for all the bad reasons. Na another bad news is that it is reported that her husband by the name Njoroge has reportedly left her. In a report, Njoroge's marriage with gospel singer Mary Lincon is reportedly on the rocks after her embarrassing photos went viral a few days ago. According to well-placed sources, the seasoned vernacular personality presenter kicked Mary Lincon out of her matrimonial home along Kiambu Road for embarrassing him following the leaked private photos. Njogu, who has not posted anything on his active social media pages since the incident happened, is said to be fed up with his wife's rogue behaviors. He has caught her several times cheating and forgiven her. Last year, they are said to have separated for several months after he garnered evidence that Mary Lincon was cheating on him with a rich businessman. They later ironed out their differences. We understand that Mary Lincon is currently being hosted by her close friend and fellow gospel singer Joyce Irongo in Kasarani after her husband chased her away. Joyce accompanied Mary Lincon to a prayer service at Bishop Wanderi CFF Church where she repented her sins and renewed her covenant with God. Guys, what do you think about this story? Kindly comment down there, like, comment, share, and subscribe. In the meantime, it's been your boy Holy J, and adios. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.